Welcome to AP Engineers Hub, Digital M-Book Workflow Configuration. In this video, I am going to explain step-by-step workflow configuration setup for Maker for EM. E or above cadre will define the workflow configuration. Step 1. Here click on More Groups. Step 2. Click on Works from drop-down list. Step 3. Click on Workflow Configurator tile. Step 4. Select Application. Step 5. Click on M-Book. Step 6. Click on Select HOO Office. Step 7. Select appropriate organization unit, that is Office of Executive Engineer. Step 8. Select plus button to add Maker. Step 9. Click on Type button which opens a drop-down list. Step 10. Here two options available. One user, two position. User means contractor, position means employee. Then select position. Step 11. Click on Input Help position. Step 12. Click on Department. Step 13. Select department from drop-down list. Step 14. Click on Go in the top right corner. Step 15. Search by name to find appropriate user. Step 16. Select name or AE. Step 17. Click on Value from. Step 18. Select agreement number from drop-down list. Step 19. Select another agreement number. Step 20. Click on OK. Step 21. Click on plus symbol. Step 22. Click on department. Step 23. Click on OK. Step 24. Click on value from. Step 25. Select department. Step 26. Click on OK. Step 27. Click on scroll area. Step 28. Select declaration. Step 29. Submit. Step 30. Click on checker. Step 31. Click on plus button. Step 32. Click on type button. Step 33. Click on position from drop down list. Step 34. Click on plus button to increase level. Step 35. Click on input help position. Step 36. Click on input help department. Step 37. Select department. Step 38. click on Go. Step 39, click on Search field. Step 40, click on DE position ID. Step 41, click on Input value from. Step 42, click on Position checkbox. Step 43, click on OK. Step 44, click on Input help value from. Step 45, click on Input help department. Step number 46, select department. Step 47, click on Go. Step 48, click on Search field. Step 49, click on AE, constant AE. Step 50, click on OK. Step 51, click on press button. Step 52, click on agreement checkbox. Step 53, click on department. Step 54, click on OK. Step 55, click on input value from. Step number 56, select department, ID number, agreement number. Step number 57, select another ID number of agreement. Step number 58, click on OK. Step number 59, click on scrolling area. Step number 60, select value from department. Step 61, select department. Step 62, select, click on OK. Step 63, select declaration. Step 64, submit. Step 65, click on Q checker. Step 66, click on press button to add. Step number 67, click on type button. Step number 68, click on position. Step 69, click on input help value from. Step number 70, click on input help department. Step number 71, select department. Step number 72, click on Go. Step number 73, click on search field. Step number 74, select DE. Step 75, click on value from. Step 76, click on position. Step 77, click on OK. Step 78, click on input value from. Step 79, click on department input. Step number 80, select department. Step number 81, click on Go. Step number 82, select search field. Step number 83, click on D. Step number 84, click on OK. Step number 85, select press button. Step number 86. Click on agreement number checkbox. Step number 87. Click on department checkbox. Step number 88. Click on OK. Step number 89. Click on input value from. Step number 90. Select agreement number. Step 91. Select another agreement number. Step 92. Click on OK. Step 93. Click on scrolling area. Step number 94. Click on value from department. Step number 95. Select department. Step number 96. Click on OK. Step number 97. Declaration. Step 98. Select submit. Step 99. Click on approval. Step 100. Click on press button. Step 101. Click on type button. Step 102. Click on position. Step 103. Click on input to help position. 104. Click on input help button. Step 105. Select department from drop down list. Step number 106. Click on go. Step number 107. Select search field. Step 108. Select DIN ID. Step number 109. Select input value from. Step 110. Select DE number. Step 111. Select input value from. Step 112. Select department. Step 113. Select input value from. Step 114. Select input help department. Step 115. Select department. Step 116. Click on go. Step 117. Select search field. Step 118. Select AE ID. Step 119. Click on scrolling area. Step 120. Click on press button. Step 121. Select M-Book factor checkbox. Step 122. Click on OK. Step 123. Select value from field. Step 124. Select declaration. Step 125. Select submit. Step 126. Click on yes to proceed further. Step 127. Click on press button to add multiple approvers. Step 128. Click on type button. Step 129. Click on position button. Step 130. Click on input help position. Step 131. Click on input help department. Step 131. Click on. Step 132. Select department. Step 133. Click on go. Step 134. Click on search field. Step 135. Select EID. Step 136. Click on input value. Step 137. click on position. Step 138, click on input value from. Step 139, select department. Step 140, click on. Step 140, click on input value from. Step 141, click on input to help department. Step 142, select department. Step 143, click on go. Step 144, select search field. Step 145, select D. Step 146, select scroll area. Step 147, declaration. Step 148, submit. Step 149, select D. Step 150, Step 150, click on edit to change the values. This is edit button. Step 151, click on scroll area. Step 152, select declaration. Step 153, submit. Step 154, click on yes to proceed further. Step 155, click on E. Step 156, click on edit. Step 157, click on scroll area. Step 158, click on declaration. Step 159, submit. Step 160, click on back. We have successfully created the workflow configuration setup for Mbook application. Thank you.